Hi there. Let's talk about customer journey. This is a customized dashboard just built for this demo and just to show you some kind of insights we provide in real time. The platform, the GermainUX platform, provides in real time. This is the ability to monitor every interaction a customer has with your organization, whether a customer is calling, visiting your e-commerce site, or going to a store or a branch, and having the ability to connect the dot and just see where people drop off, experience problems. So it's not the easiest capabilities to configure, obviously, because it requires the more complete the customer journey real-time monitoring is going to be, then the harder it's going to be because it requires accesses to many of your data sources, e-commerce and all, and so we realize the complexity of being able to model all this, but this is something our product supports. And it looks like this, so in this case, you can it that some people say that very much looks like a Google Analytics, but it's actually yes in some cases and definitely no in some other cases, because that data I am showing you right now is it's not click driven, it's journey milestone driven, or process milestone driven. And it's across stacks, across technologies. It's not necessarily just on one technology. Making it very useful, being able to visualize all this on one single screen. Um, when you look at some of the KPIs that are configured here for this portlet, so this is like the generic business process KPI, which we call it. This is a custom workflow we configured for Guitar Center, and it's about monitoring the amount of time, the journey around making an order on their e-commerce site on guitarcenter.com, just checking out, buying some product online. And all that customer wanted is just the ability to monitor, do people make the orders? What issues do they experience during that process? Why is it that people drop off? Because our product records videos of what the user sees and does on a web application, the why is the customer dropping off and not making the order, uh, you know, we have the answer to that, obviously, as a result of recording millisecond precise sessions. Here it's another site forward line apply. A school basically where they are mostly interested in monitoring, the process for student to just apply for a loan, financial organization for school here in that case. Yeah, different type of things where you go to configure this is you go to the analytics section, and you go to the business process, and there you basically just define all these process milestones. So that's where it becomes more complicated. It's not as trivial as it looks, and it probably does not even look trivial, but it works, and it works well, and it allows identify problems at scale that are process related, not technology related. So very useful. Um, this is just to give you a brief overview of the customer journey, and I didn't show you all the drill down capabilities, the slicing and dicing, the A/B testing involved in that process. There's other videos to help you see how we can do all this, but just to give you a brief intro of the customer journey. There's more details on our online documentation, and so look for processes, business processes, customer journey. Customer journey is probably a good starting point because there's probably some we explain to you what we did for a bank here in this case. with like a case study that's available in here. Then there is other things around the business process. So if I search for business process here in this case, and workflow monitoring, the second one. So we explain to you what can be done and how it is configured. Lots of things, and very likely you will need our help. So we are here to help. So just reach out to us and let us know. Hopefully that was useful for an overview for the customer journey. Thanks for watching.